Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snappy Cow from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves up like this. Then another curve underneath to close off the shape of the eyes. Next, inside at the bottom, let's draw another circular curve. And then color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and in. Now before continuing, let's add the tongue. On the left side, let's step up and let's draw a curve down. Then let's add a wavy line at the top. And then another wavy line down to close off the tongue. Now let's hop back over on the right and let's continue the curve over to close off the mouth. Lastly, let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. Let's draw V-shaped points along the top. And then for the bottom row, let's draw one on the left. And then continue the zigzag pattern over on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down, and the same thing on the right. And now let's connect it at the top with a wavy line across. Next, from the bottom, let's curve it out and back in. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the head. Next, let's hop to the top and let's add the horns. Let's start on the top corner of the head and let's draw a curve out. And the same thing on the right. And then from the ends, let's curve it upwards. Now let's follow that same curve back down and in. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down. And then the same on the right. Then from the bottom of both sides, let's bring it in, leaving a gap in the middle. Now underneath, let's step in from the sides and let's draw a bent line down. Now let's move down in the center and let's draw a small curve and a U shape underneath. And let's do the same thing on the left and on the right. Now underneath each of these, let's add two curves like this. Now let's hop back to the side and finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's curve it down and in from both sides, and then bring it behind and in between. Next, let's hop back up and let's add the arms. Let's start on the left of the head and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. And the same on the right. Then let's hop underneath, and from the side of the chest, let's draw another line out on both sides. Then a slight curve up at the end. Now from both top and bottom lines, let's bring it down, angling it out slightly. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. And now inside, let's draw a curved V shape up and back down. And that's it for the arms. Now let's add the legs. Let's move back to the center next to the body, and let's draw a set of 2 curves down and out on both sides. And then close off the bottoms with a curve. Now from the inside corner, let's draw a diagonal line up, and then a curved line above it. And then close it off by curving it back outwards. And that's it for Snappy Cow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!